Hey there. How's it going, guys? It's all good here and welcome back to my channel. Did you know that a Mobius strip has only one side and one edge, although it seems it has two sides? Look again and you may realize that is it indeed only one-sided. Let's create this in Fusion 360. Start by creating a sketch on the XZ plane. I want to start off with an ellipse. Start at origin to place the center point of the ellipse. Now click to set the major axis. Let's go for 120 millimeters. Now the third point is any point on the ellipse. So can select any dimensions you want. I'll go with 80 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Now we need to create another plane to sketch on. To do so, locate the Construct tab from which we will select the plane along path option. This will create a plane along the circumference of the ellipse. Select this edge as the path. Now, let's create a sketch on the newly created plane. Press R on your keyboard to bring up the rectangle tool or select it from here. Select centered rectangle from here. From this point create a rectangle of width 12 mm and length 48 mm. Click Finish Sketch. From the Create tab choose Sweep tool. For the profile, select the rectangle and as for the path select the edge or the circumference of the ellipse. Now the magic, change the twist angle to 180 degrees. And there you have it! A Mobius strip. Notice if you draw a line with a pen, a single line traverses both over and under on a Mobius strip, showcasing its intriguing topological characteristics. Now let's change some parameters. Double-click first sketch on the timeline. Hit D on your keyboard to bring up the Sketch Dimensions tool. From the center to this point, change the dimension to 70 mm again, from the center to this point, 70 mm. This creates a circle. Finishing the edited sketch will update everything else on the timeline moving forwards. Now let's edit the sweep feature on the timeline. Change the twist angle to 540 degrees and you include more twists in the geometry. You can change these parameters as much you want and however you want. If you found this video interesting, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Let's put up the zebra analysis to couple colors on the geometry. Remember, in the grand symphony of life, every challenge is just a note in our melody of growth. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and let your light shine bright. Until next time, keep smiling, keep believing, and keep spreading joy wherever you go. Take care, and remember, you've got this.